Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace an alternator on a Nissan Maxima. First, always prioritize safety by disconnecting the negative battery terminal. Next, gather your tools, including a serpentine belt tool, various wrenches and sockets. Make sure the engine is completely cool to avoid burns. Finally, locate the alternator, which is usually situated on the lower front side of the engine compartment. Now let's remove the old alternator. Use a serpentine belt tool to release tension, then carefully remove the belt from the alternator pulley. Next, disconnect all electrical connections, including the main power wire, ensuring no wires are damaged. Finally, unbolt the mounting bolts that secure the alternator to the engine block. You might need to gently pry it free. With the old unit out, it's time to install your new alternator. Carefully position it into the mounting bracket and hand tighten the bolts. Then, reconnect all electrical wires and the main power cable, ensuring they are securely fastened. Finally, route the serpentine belt back onto the alternator pulley, making sure it's correctly seated on all pulleys. Almost done. Reconnect the negative battery terminal to restore power. Start your engine and observe the dashboard for any warning lights. Use a multimeter to check the charging voltage. It should be between 13.5 and 14.5 volts. Listen for any unusual noises. Finally, ensure all tools are removed and your work area is tidy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.